Hello, today we're gonna make a ddakji. We need two A4 paper and one scissor. We will take the first paper, we will fold in half. We will unfold it, and now with our scissor we will cut the crease. And now we will take one, we will fold in half again. We will take this edge, we will line to this edge. We will take this edge, and this edge we will line it to this edge. And now we will take the other piece, we will do the same thing. And now we will place at the center. First we will take this, we will put it in the middle, we will take the down part, middle, and now we will take this part, we will bring it to the middle, and this one we will bring in this hole. So this is the first part. This is the first part to play, and now we will make the another part, another ddakji to play with it. We will do the same steps on the paper. Now to play, we will put the blue one down like this, and we will with the red one we will try that the blue one that flip. So we will play like this. ddakji from Squid game. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.